In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook quickly, part of our 2025 guide. This is a great feature that ensures people know right away that you might be out of reach, whether you're on vacation, attending a conference, or need some uninterrupted focus time. So let's dive right in and set it up. First, you'll want to navigate to Outlook Web. For this, head over to your web browser and type in either https://outlook.com or https://outlook.office.com. Once you're there, sign into your account with your normal login credentials. This will bring you straight into your inbox, where all your emails are waiting for you. The next step is to access the settings, which is super easy to find. Look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon and a sidebar menu will appear. Within this menu, scroll down a bit and select View All Outlook Settings. Once inside, find the Mail tab on the left, click on it, and then select Automatic Replies from the list that appears. This will bring you directly to the feature we need to adjust. Here comes the part where you actually turn on those automatic replies. You'll see an option labeled Turn on Automatic Replies around the middle of the page. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. Now, if you want a bit more control over when these replies are sent, you have the option to specify a start and end time. This means you don't have to worry about your emails being left in limbo while you're unavailable. Once these options are set, you can move on to crafting your messages. As you prepare your reply, it's a good idea to create a message for those inside your organization, as well as for those outside of it. These messages can be customized to suit your tone and the information you wish to convey. For instance, within your organization, it might be a simple notice of your unavailability and who to contact in your absence. For external emails, you might want to include a bit more detail, like alternative points of contact or expectations around your return. Finally, once you've written your messages and set your timers, don't forget to click Save. This final action ensures that everything is locked in and will function as you've set it to during your specified time range. There you have it. Your automatic reply is now ready to go live whenever you need it. It's a simple yet powerful tool to manage expectations and maintain communication efficiency, even when you're not around. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.